Most people get this wrong. They assume Fitness Blender is just another YouTube workout channel. But the surprising truth is that it's a full-featured platform offering customizable workouts, nutrition guidance, and fitness programs for all levels. Fitness Blender provides hundreds of free workout videos ranging from 10-minute quick sessions to full 60-minute strength, cardio, or flexibility workouts. You can filter by difficulty, duration, equipment needed, or target area, making it easy to find a workout that fits your schedule. The paid membership adds even more value. With a membership, you gain access to structured workout programs, meal planning, progress tracking, and downloadable calendars. This makes it feel like a personal trainer experience from the comfort of your home. One of the strongest features is accessibility. Workouts are designed for all fitness levels, and modifications are shown, so beginners and advanced users can follow along safely. Many users appreciate that the trainers focus on proper form, realistic goals, and sustainability rather than gimmicky fitness trends. Some downsides include the lack of live classes and limited community interaction compared to platforms like Peloton. However, for self-motivated users, Fitness Blender offers flexibility and variety at a much lower cost. The surprising truth is that Fitness Blender is more than just videos. It's a complete home fitness solution that can be adapted to any lifestyle, helping you stay consistent without expensive equipment or gym memberships. In conclusion, Fitness Blender is ideal for anyone looking for effective, customizable workouts at home. It's affordable, accessible, and backed by knowledgeable trainers who focus on results and safety. Subscribe for more honest fitness platform reviews and tips to stay healthy at home.